Alright, there is the today's Bard Ogiwon's dinner. Salad, a little bread. I just made the salad and I'm making eggs with some meat and eggs. Actually, yes, eggs and cheese. This thing on the oven will become something to eat. Well, I know it's not beautiful, but well, I don't like fried things. I wonder how people eat fried things. Okay, I need to throw the trash and this thing goes in the fridge. What do I have in the fridge? In the refrigerator. Ta-da! Ah, banana and soda. I need to quit that soda. Actually, there is not a lot of things here, and now I will need to take care about this thing, that one. Okay, Ogiwon out.